Peki. Hadi biz geçelim o zaman. Konuşuruz tekrar.
During nighttime pictures, it's very difficult to get the focus. Even though we are very stable, and the aircraft is, well, actually it doesn't feel anything, but it's still a little bit difficult to get the focus. Normally planes, when they cruise, they have flight level 40, right? Why are we at so low at 3?
We are heavy.
Oh, okay.
We are very heavy.
Is it because we have full payload today?
Full payload and full cargo.
Right, wow. So the heavier the plane, the lower it has to go.
Sorry?
Because I thought the higher the plane goes, the faster it goes, no?
Yeah, when it slides and climb high.
No, that's what I mean. So I mean, the closer, the more fuel we burn. Isn't it the case that the higher we're going to fly?
Yeah,
Yeah.
usually. Not always.